Hey everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Let's solve the day 3 of the August Lead Code Challenge. Let's see what is today's question. So today's question is validate palindrome. Given a string, determine if it is a palindrome considering only alphanumeric characters and ignoring cases. Note, for the purpose of this problem, we define empty string as a valid palindrome. So there are two important aspects of this question, alphanumeric characters and ignoring cases. So the first constraint is need to consider only alpha numeric cases. That means only letters and digits. The other constraint is to ignore cases. So in case of characters, we need to ignore cases. So that means it is going to be a case insensitive check. Let's go through the example. So A got compared with capital A got compared with small a, space ignored, and then came M, and here M, and then A again, then N again, and comma got ignored. Similarly, a space, since we are only consider alphanumeric characters. So this looks like a city problem. Must be again lead code easy. What we can do is we can take a starting pointer and we can take an ending pointer. It is going to be a two pointer approach, and you compare the start pointer and the end pointer whenever these two are alphanumeric characters, making a case insensitive check. And in case they are equal, you increase the start pointer and reduce the end pointer. If they are not, then you return false. So it's going to be a simple solution. So let's start coding. S.length two pointer approach, while start is less than end. What do we need to do? Character s starting character. What we can do is to uppercase s dot char at start. So this will make sure that we are doing a case insensitive check. If s character dot is letter or digit, s char. If it is not, then let's skip and move ahead. Start plus plus and continue. We'll do a similar thing for the ending character. So it's end, copy paste helps at times, and then ending character. Similarly, we'll instead of increasing ending pointer, we will decrease the ending pointer. Now we are sure that we have both S char and E char as letter or digit, that too in upper cases. So the two constraints are fulfilled. Upper cased start and end characters. If S char is not equal to end char, then we simply return false. Else we increase starting pointer for the loop to continue and reduce the ending pointer. And this we came out of the loop, and then otherwise return to. Let's try and code, see what happened. I got two errors: illegal start of expression. Oops, sorry. or it is passed, and then let's try and submit this code. Oh, accepted. Thanks for watching the video.